How to edit drop down list. In last video you can see how to create drop down list, and in this video you can see how to edit it. Just see here, this is my data. I already create here the drop down list, okay, and I want to just edit it. Just select the cell, click on the data tab, click on the data validation, okay. You can see here the source location, just click on that. You can see here, just delete it, and you can select I want to just April, May, June. Just select it. You can see here A7 to A9 it's selected, and click on OK. You can see here only 3 months come in drop down list. Okay, this is a way to edit your drop down list in Excel. That's it. Thank you.